In geometry, a polygon is a two-dimensional shape that is formed by connecting straight line segments. The word polygon comes from the Greek words poly, meaning many, and gonya, meaning angle. A monogon, also referred to as a henagon, is a polygon that consists of one edge and one vertex. Due to its unique characteristics, it is considered the simplest type of polygon in geometry. In the realm of Euclidean geometry, a henagon is often regarded as an impossible object because its singular edge extends infinitely. However, in the context of spherical geometry, it is indeed possible to draw a finite henagon by placing a single vertex at any location on a great circle. This fascinating contrast highlights how different geometrical systems can lead to distinct outcomes and possibilities. A digon, also known as bigon, is a polygon that consists of two sides and two vertices. However, its construction is considered degenerate in a Euclidean plane because the two sides would either overlap or need to be curved. Nevertheless, it can be easily visualized and understood in elliptic space. A regular digon is a geometric shape with two equal angles and two equal sides. On a sphere, it can be constructed by connecting antipodal points with a pair of 180-degree arcs, creating what is known as a lune shape. A triangle, also referred to as a trigon, is a fundamental geometric shape. It is characterized by three sides and three vertices or corners. The vertices are typically labeled as A, B, and C to represent the different points of the triangle. A quadrilateral is a two-dimensional shape that has four sides. Examples of quadrilaterals include squares, rectangles, and kites. The term quad refers to the four sides, while lateral refers to the concept of sides in general. A quadrilateral can be classified as either regular or irregular based on its symmetry and angle measurements. In a quadrilateral, such as a rectangle or square, it is not necessary for the sides to be of equal length or have the same angles. This allows for a variety of shapes and configurations within the category of quadrilaterals. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. The word penta represents the number 5, while gon refers to angles. In geometry, a pentagon is classified as one of the many types of polygons. For a regular pentagon, which has equal side lengths and angle measures, the sum of all its interior angles is 540 degrees. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. The term hex originates from the Greek word for 6, while gonya means corner or angle. Interestingly, the sum of the internal angles of any non-self-intersecting hexagon amounts to 720 degrees. A heptagon or septagon is a polygon with 7 sides. It is also referred to as a 7gon. When all sides and angles of a heptagon are equal, it is called a regular heptagon. An octagon is a geometric shape that consists of 8 sides, 8 vertices or corners, and 8 interior angles. If all the sides and angles of an octagon are equal in measure, it is referred to as a regular octagon. On the other hand, if any of the sides or angles differ in measure, it is classified as an irregular octagon. A polygon that has 9 sides is called a nonagon. It is defined by its 9 straight sides and 9 corners, which are also referred to as vertices. The term nonagon originates from the Latin word nona, meaning 9, and gon, meaning sides. Thus, the term can be translated as a 9-sided shape. In geometry, a decagon is a polygon with 10 sides. It is also referred to as a tetragon. The sum of the interior angles of a simple decagon always adds up to 1440 degrees. When all the sides and angles of a decagon are equal, it is classified as a regular decagon. A dodecagon, also known as a 12gon, is a polygon with 12 sides. A regular dodecagon is one in which all sides and angles are equal. It has 12 edges and vertices. The sum of the interior angles of a regular dodecagon is 1800 degrees, with each interior angle measuring 150 degrees. The exterior angle of a regular dodecagon measures 30 degrees. In total, a regular dodecagon has 12 angles due to its 12 sides. A tridecagon, also known as a triskaidekagon or 13gon, is a polygon with 13 sides. A tetradecagon, also known as a tetrakidecagon or 14gon, is a polygon with 14 sides. When all of its sides and angles are equal, it is called a regular tetradecagon. It falls under the category of regular polygons, which are polygons with congruent sides and angles throughout. A pentadecagon or pentakidecagon or 15gon is a 15-sided polygon. A hexadecagon is a polygon with 16 sides. It is sometimes referred to as a hexakidecagon or simply a hexadecagon. A heptagon, also known as a septadecagon or 17gon, is a polygon with 17 sides. An octadecagon, also known as an octakidecagon or 18gon, is a polygon with 18 sides. An enneagon, also referred to as a nonagon or enneagon, is a polygon with 19 sides and 19 corners. An icosagon, also known as a 20gon, is a polygon with 20 sides. An interesting fact about the icosagon is that the sum of its interior angles always totals to 3240 degrees. Subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching.